I want, my dear children, from this video I am going to teach you Pythagorean relation, which was taught to you in grade 9 and it continues up to grade 11. Okay, let us start the lesson. First of all, you have to draw a right angle triangle. Let us take this right angle triangle as ABC. Then we have to identify where the hypotenuse is. To do that thing, there is an easy method. If you can draw a line like this which fixes to the right angle, then as you can see there is an arrow right now. From that arrow it shows the hypotenuse. So Pythagoras says if you draw a square on the hypotenuse and the area of that square, let us take the side of this square as A, then the area will be A into A, that means A squared. And there are another two sides now. We have to draw another square for another side, and let us take the side as B right now for this square. So as we did it before, the area of this square is B squared now. And there's another remaining side. You have to draw another square. The area, if we take the side as C, then the area will be C squared. Pythagoras says the area of the square which is drawn on the hypotenuse is equal to the area of the squares, sum of the areas of squares of the other sides, like this: A squared equals B squared plus C squared. So easily you can remember that square of the hypotenuse is equal to the summation of the other side's squares. So keep this in your mind. If the hypotenuse as A and the other sides are B and C, so you can easily remember this as A squared equal B squared plus C squared. Okay, first of all you have to identify what is the hypotenuse is. Let us move on to a question. This question you can, using the information given in the diagram, show that the x squared minus y squared equal a squared minus b squared. So there is nothing to worry, but you have to do something in here. You have to identify the right angle triangles in here. If you are able to identify the right angle triangles, then you can put those values into the Pythagorean relation. So it's better if you can draw a right angle with necessary details. There is a big right angle. The hypotenuse is x and the other sides are h and a. I have removed that right angle triangle and drawn in here. So for this one we can put the Pythagorean relation as x squared equals h squared plus a squared. So let us take this equation as equation number 1. We can do the same thing to the small right angle. We have to draw with the necessary details. The right hypotenuse is y and the other sides are h and b. We can follow the method that we used before. Here the Pythagorean relation is y squared equals h squared plus b squared. Let us take this equation as equation number 2. Now they have asked you to show that x squared minus y squared. So it is very easy. Now we have to subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. So then you will receive the answer as the above: x squared minus y squared equal a squared minus b squared. If you have watched my previous video, I have asked you to pause the video before you watch this thing. That means if I have given you a question, it's better if you can pause the video for a second and do it by yourself. After that you can check your answers. If you were able to do this question, that means you have done 2005 O level first part 26 question. Okay, let us move to the next question. The other question is question number 24. Find the perimeter of the diagram. For this diagram, they have not given ED length. So, therefore, we cannot find the perimeter. So, first of all, we have to identify there are two triangles in here. They are right angle triangles. If you can draw them separately with the details. Here I have drawn in here the big right angle as ABE and with the details. Now I put these values to the Pythagorean relation. BE squared equals 12 squared plus 5 squared. Then B squared equals 144 plus 25. Then we have to get the length of BE, we have to find out the square root of 169, that is 13. Likewise, we have to find BD length using the small right angle triangle. So it's better if you can draw that with details. BCD. Then we can put those values also to the Pythagorean relation. 5 squared equal BD squared plus 4 squared. 5 squared means 25, 4 squared means 16. Then when you send it to the left side, it will be 25 minus 16 equals BD squared. To get BD, we have to find square root 9 in here, it will be 3. Now we can deduct 13 minus 3 and get the value DE. So now we can find out the perimeter of the diagram as 12 plus, that means this length. It's better if you can draw on the line when you are adding these values. 5 plus, again 10 plus, now we found that answer. Then 4 plus, again 5. Now as you can see, the figure is completed, so we can easily find out the perimeter. So as I told you before, it's better if you can pause the video for a second and try to find the answer by yourself. So if you are able to do this, that means you have done 2009 O level first paper question number 24. Let us move on to another question to understand this theory carefully. The figure denotes a sector of a circle of radius 10 cm, but they have not marked the radius. Find the area of the rectangle OPQR. To find the area of the rectangle OPQR, you need to find out the breadth. They have given only the length. To find out the breadth, you need Pythagorean relation in here. If you are able to mark the radius carefully like this, OQ, now you will be able to see there is a right angle triangle, that is OPQ. Now it's better if you draw that right angle triangle with details. You can find out the QP length using the Pythagorean relation. Okay, let us do that. 10 squared equal 8 squared plus QP squared. 100 equals 64 plus QP squared. So when you subtract, 100 minus 64 equals QP squared. To get QP value, you have to get the square root of 36. That is 6. 6 equals QP. Now you can easily find out the area of the rectangle of PQR, that is length into breadth. Now you know length and breadth. Length means 8, breadth means 6. That means 48 square centimeters. as we did it before. If you are able to pause this video and find this answer by yourself, that means you are able to do 2011 O level first part paper and the question number 28. Likewise, you will have small questions like this using Pythagorean relation, and it can be come to the second paper also. So I hope by this video you are able to understand what is Pythagorean relation and how to use that Pythagorean relations to the question. So children, let us meet with another video like this, another useful video like this. I want all of you.